Hello, Travis. My name is Viviana Olaya. I was referred to you by Dana, and I prepared this video to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website and attract more customers. So I'm going to be covering the website, the homepage, the Google Business Profile, as well as backlinks. So let's start with your front page. I can see that you have the click to call button. Perhaps you can make it a little bit bigger. You have the contact us form over here. You have another contact us form that get your free estimate button. So lots of call to action buttons that I really like that. You have here the links to the different services that you provide. And then very nice visuals over here, testimonials and reviews. Um, and more pictures. Let's have a look at how you're saving these images. So for example, see, it says slide 4. Everything that you have on your website is considered content, and you can actually optimize that particular content so that when Google crawls your website, you can rank for relevant keywords. Excuse me. Then here you have the service and the area locations, and then links to your social media accounts and badges over here. So in terms of the amount of content, right now your front page has 938 words. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because through content is that you're able to push through relevant buyer intent keywords, or basically the way people perform their searches when they want to buy a product or a service. If I have a look at two of your competitors, so Goodman, these guys have 651 words, and these guys, Guaranteed Plumbing and Heating, these guys have 1,945 words. So definitely an opportunity there is just to optimize that content, just making sure that you not only add more, but add more relevant content with buyer intent keywords. I came here to the Google search and I type in Plumbers Philadelphia. The first section that we see here is the Google Ads, and this section is really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. Then we have the GBP, or the Google Business Profile section. This section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank here you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to have and be listed on directories, and the name, address, and phone number need to match those exactly the same way as they appear in the Google Business Profile, so that Google can verify those details and you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your two competitors, so Goodman Plumbers and Guaranteed Plumbing. I skip all of this because these are directories. And to rank here, you need something that we call backlinks. So I use a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool is actually showing me the back end of your website, and I can see that there are 64 external websites that are pointing traffic towards yours through 203 links. If I have a look at Goodman, these guys have 224 backlinks, or sorry, external websites directing traffic towards theirs through 3,370 backlinks, and Guaranteed they have 163 external websites directing traffic towards theirs through 2,810 backlinks. So definitely an opportunity there is just to have a look and review this backlink profile, just to make sure that you not only have more backlinks, but you have backlinks that are sitting on websites that are relevant to your services and to your industry, so that Google can start regarding your website as an authority in that particular topic. Now, the most interesting part, you are being found for 461 keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position in which your website is appearing for those particular keywords. So I sorted this by position, and I was just looking at those buyer intent keywords, and I found, for example, Plumbers in Roxborough has a search volume of 10. South Philadelphia Plumber has a search volume of 20. Plumber, Delaware County has a search volume of 50. Well, you also have Water Heaters Philadelphia has a search volume of 30. Now, if I have a look at Goodman, they are being found for 1,500 keywords, and in here you can see some of those keywords. So Plumbing Philadelphia has a search volume of 2,000, and because they are ranking on the first position, they were able to drive 717 visits to their websites. That's a little bit over 35%. Plumber Philadelphia has a search volume of 600, and because they're in the first position, they managed to drive 382 visits to their websites. That's more than 50% of the traffic for just that particular keyword. So basically, what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to include in the content of your website, and maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, so that a percentage of those end up in your website, and then another percentage reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you are able to convert into new customers. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve your online presence, and also please don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.